What is up, guys? Adrian here from Losh TV. I am here with Eddy from Eddytainment, and we are going to be reviewing the Sapphire Falls Hotel. This is going to be my first ever hotel review, so let's have some fun and check it out. Roll that intro. Alright, let's go straight in through these sliding glass doors. We have Eddy right there, guys. Go check out Eddy's channel, please. Do me that huge favor. And of course, you guys know when you come to a hotel, you come over to luggage services, check in, depending on how you got here. And then right here, we have the central area, basically like the central hub, the waiting area. And yeah, let's check out everything else that's in here. So circling around the center lobby here, we're going to turn around here, and we have a fantastic view of Islands of Adventure. And like I said, there's the view of Islands of Adventure, as well as the boats that you can take from the hotel resorts over to islands. What a fantastic view here, though. It is beautiful. Also in this area, after leaving the whole glass windowed, we have a mini lobby area, which is similar to the other lobby, but this one's more sunken in, and you have a television. This is where we ended up watching a game last night, but of course, obviously. Over there we have the Strongwater Tavern. I'm going to walk that way to give you guys a little story. So last night we actually ate here, and it was actually pretty good. It was pretty solid. I had the chicken tenders and french fries. I know that sounds like a child's meal, but it was actually pretty good. They actually had some good drinks. I also had a rum and coke. So pretty solid. And it's not that bad. So we're going to keep moving on. We're going to check out the other commodities that they have here. Now, as soon as you guys come in here, you also have the chance to come over here and buy some tickets. Now, along with the tickets, you can turn around and go into the Universal Studios store. Let's go check this store out. Now, here you can basically find a lot of the merchandise that you can find in park, which I find pretty cool. All the Potter merch. Of course. Basically, your typical store where you get everything for Universal related. You know. Let's give you guys a quick little pan around. Got your Jurassic Park stuff here. You guys know Velocicoaster is opening up soon, so gotta get your little raptor mask and everything on. Now we have some Marvel stuff, and now over here we have some Sapphire Falls specific merchandise. So pretty cool. We have like a little polo shirt, a long sleeve shirt, shot glasses, and mugs. Let's see if they have anything else over here as well. Oh, cool. I might buy this. I might buy this pin today. Let's check out the price on it. Not bad. It's not picking it up, but it's it's $9 even. It's not focusing on it, guys. I'm sorry, but it's pretty cool. And so another shirt here. Pretty nice. And then let's spin around, get this whole little area. Got like a deck of cards, a little magnetic picture frame, and then just a magnet. And oh, this is a coaster. That's cool. This is a coaster. But yeah, so now let's go across here. Let's leave the store. Here you will find the New Dutch Trading Company. And here's where they have their Starbucks related items. So this is basically where you can come and get your grab and go things. Basically your smaller foods. There's, like I said earlier, we have that big restaurant over there, which isn't that bad. And then we also, if we go downstairs, which is where we're going now, got a lot more to go check out. So just for foreground, this is where the tickets are. And this is the spiral staircase to go down. So give you guys a nice look down there before we walk down there. Whoop. There we go. All right, let's get down these stairs. All right, here's the other restaurant that I was speaking of. And here's the menu, the breakfast menu, which is what's going on right now because it's a little early. All right, and now we'll move over to the lunch menu so you guys can check that out as well. All right, and then also I'll just give you guys a quick look inside. I'm not gonna walk in there because I don't want to disturb anyone eating, but this is what it looks like. All right, now let's go to where the water taxis go so you guys can check that out too. We are now outside and on our way over to the water taxis, and I see a beautiful man right here. That is Eddy. You guys know him, you love him. So like I said, down here is where you come for the water taxi, and there they are. They're taking off right now. And we were more or less right there. That's what, no, I lied. We were right there is where I was when we were looking out the window, looking at the water taxi go away, and now we're looking at this water taxi go away. Here, of course, they have the metal detectors before you get on, so you don't have to go through that when you get to the park, which I find pretty cool and convenient. There's also a walkway to the park if you continue going straight instead of coming out to the water taxis. If you see those people right over there, try to get on them. Them over there? Yeah, that's the walkway to the park, which also isn't a long walk either. I kind of enjoy walking to the park sometimes. Sometimes it makes it more enjoyable. But now, let's get inside and go check out the pool. Let's do it. Now that is just where we came from, right down there. And then if you turn around, over here, we have the walkway to the pool. So let's go check out that pool. Alright guys, so while on this walk to the pool, I want to tell you guys, this hotel actually just reopened to the public. I mean, literally just like Tuesday. Today is Thursday, so it opened 2 days ago to the public. So it's pretty cool. Also on my way here, we have the currently closed game room. Let's take a look inside real quick. Well, not inside, but yeah, pretty cool, man. I always liked coming to like game rooms when I was younger with my cousins. Have a good time. Destroy the score on like the shooting machines, like the basketball games. But yeah, pretty cool. And now right across from the game room, we have the gym, or the health and fitness room over here. Pretty solid, pretty solid. So now we will go through this door right here and come right out to the pool area. Before going to the pool itself, we have a ping pong table here and a pool table over there, which I find pretty fun and unique. Now we are over here, we will look, and the pool hours are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So let's get in here. Boop. Oh, nope. Hello. There we go. Now we're in. Oh, and it's Eddy again. As soon as we walk in here, got a towel hut that way, restrooms that way, and then the slide that way. Let's go take a little peek at like little huts they have set up here. Pretty cool. You have your own little personal TV, the table, and the couch over there. Now, I'm pretty sure you can rent out the villas just for like as long as you want, like for the day. And now we're gonna look over here. Here's the pool itself. Pretty solid. Got sand here. So if you want to feel like you're at the beach, you got it right here for you. And yeah. And if you want to find out information about the cabana reservations, you can honestly go talk to a pool attendant and they'll be able to let you know. Here's a nice little view again. This is just so relaxing. Let's just rotate it here, and there's a better view at the pool. Let's go over here and go explore some more. I would also like to say huge thank you to Eddy for letting me stay with him this weekend, because kind of cool. I've never been able to stay at this hotel, so it's cool to check it out and be able to bring you guys along with me. So go check out Eddy and go thank him down below for letting me join him on this day. Well, trip. Right here we have an entire map of the hotel, so you guys can see. We are right here with the pool, and this is the slide, so that's what we're gonna go check out next. And our hotel room is right in this tower right here, so we're gonna go there after we go check out the pool. So, well, after we go check out the slides, let's get over there real quick and check that out. And also, this is the pool here from the other side of the resort, so we're just gonna do a little walking and talking here so I can get to where the water slide's at so you guys can see that. And just so you guys know, the water slide is actually closed at the moment, but you would exit from right here. It's a great view. Yeah. You also have a jacuzzi over there. Also look like it's currently closed, but man, with little by little, they just reopened this hotel like I said earlier. So let's go look over here and check out this stuff over here. Also, here are the slide rules for when the slide reopens. You must be 48 inches tall, So pretty cool. And if you're under 48 inches, you have to wear a life vest. If you're under 36, you're not permitted to ride at all. So you have to be 36 inches tall or 48 with a life vest. There's something I realized last night. They have a little fire pit here. And if you guys go back to the restaurant or coffee shop up front, you guys will be able to buy like s'mores kits and make s'mores here. So you can come out here with your friends and just have some s'mores. Pretty cool. Here's another view at the water slide so you guys can get a nice look at it. It's, of course, where I told you up there where that white chair is. Up there, that is where you come up from, and you come all the way down this little rock slide and end up right there in the water. But there's one more thing over here at the pool that I want you guys to check out, and let's get over there so you guys can see it. They have like a little splash pad. It's pretty fun, you know? If you don't want to get in the pool, you can come over here and play at the splash pad for a little bit. Boop. Let's open these doors. Get on this elevator and go straight up to the room. Hey guys, so we are up on the 8th floor, so whoop. I gotta say this is a pretty cool experience. Haven't stayed at a Universal hotel really. I stayed at Cabana Bay and I've stayed at Dockside with Chris and Eddy, but I like this. I like reviewing the hotels. Do you guys enjoy this video? Let me know down below because I'd love to know if you guys want to see more of these because I can try to do more. Come to the parks more often, come to the hotels. So let's go to the hotel room.
Going down.
Alright, but here is our room. We are at 2880. And now I might not be the best at tours, so I think someone can really help me here.
Welcome.
There we go.
To our room review, guys. Alright, so Adrian asked me to show you guys around. We've done a couple of these. Let's start off with the first thing. You got a mirror to check out the gear. Make sure you're heading out to the parks looking sexy.
Looking good. Wearing your Boo Bros merch, you know?
Boo Bros. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Boo Bros. Then, if you make it over this way, you got your first little area. You got your closet. Some of the essentials that you need if you need to iron something. You know, it gets pretty hot out there. Things will get sweaty. You'll wash them. You can iron them. Get your hair tight. You got the iron. And if you need anything that needs to be safe, you got a safe.
That's safe.
To keep it safe.
Yeah, I mean, makes sense.
Boom. Behind Adrian.
Ooh, I'm gonna rotate.
Yep. You have the little area over here to get yourself ready in the morning, brush your teeth, and your mirror. Got this very beautifully themed tile here, very tropical, keeping to the theme. And you got the bathroom. Now, since I'm not the one filming, I could actually step in here and you guys can see I'm 6'2". This is nice, you know.
You get a nice little, you know, little bit of soap in there.
You got space. You know, if you're a larger guy like myself, you also got this right here. If you've been down to the pool, need to dry some clothes, you got the little line right here. I think this is a very nice, I would actually do my home bathroom like this. And
yeah,
it
same.
needs to be updated, so I might just steal this idea. And then over here.
Let's give them some privacy.
Over here, don't look yet. Don't look at the view just yet. Come around and just this way. Oh, there we go. We got the beds. You got these headboards over here. Got a nice little like cushion. I do gotta say, beds at Universal always super soft, and these pillows. Come on. They're like nice soft feather pillows. I always like say I'm gonna wake up early and oversleep whenever I'm staying here. You got some nice pictures on the wall. Keep to that tropical setting. Over here on the right hand side, you got a TV, 42-inch LG, 8K 3D. Just kidding.
No.
None of that. Probably just a basic, you know, 4K I would assume. You got some coffee. If that's your thing, it surely is mine, but I like Starbucks coffee. I don't like this stuff. Over here we got our editing station, or what would be just an extra desk if you wanted to sit down, set some things over. You got the second bed with a little chair to sit at. And then, Adrian, I don't know if you want to be the one to show them that view.
I can show them the view. And now, piece de resistance. We have this phenomenal view of the park. I told you guys earlier there was a nice view of islands from the lobby, but this is the view we're here for. Eddy was nice enough to ask if they can accommodate us to get a top floor theme park view. And you can honestly see everything here. You can see Jurassic Park, Kong, Hogwarts, Dudley, islands, well, Marvel's Superhero Island. And this is honestly just a beautiful view.
Don't cry.
I might just cry. It's just gorgeous. But anyways, thank you all for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know down below. Comment below if you guys want us to come to hotels more often and do reviews. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. Also, check out Eddy holding the camera, please. Go check out his channel. I'm going to put it down there. And stay excellent, my dudes.